Patreon payment methods, how to add payment method on Patreon. In this video, what we're going to be talking about is how you can go ahead and add any type of paying method on your Patreon account. Okay, you can use payments to monetize your Patreon in any way, and how you are going to withdraw them is a whole new method. Okay, so that is what we're going to be talking about. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your patreon.com/home, and over here, you're going to go over to your settings. All right. Now, once you head over to your settings, what's going to happen over here is it's going to give you quite a few options to mess around and change into your account. And once you are over here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to click on more. And once you click on more, you're going to click on payment methods. And once you have clicked on payment methods, as you can see, it says you do not currently have any payment methods, but you can simply add one. So you can either add your credit card, you can add your PayPal, and just verify these settings, click on add, and you're good to go. So that is basically how we're going to be adding a payment method for ourselves in Patreon. So if you enjoyed that video, please make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.